What's up everyone and welcome to our first Monday in October. Today we're drawing Foxy from Roblox Piggy. Now the first thing we do is start at the very top of our page and draw in a large circle for the head. So let's start at the very top. Just going to work our way out towards the left side. Just going to come down towards the bottom of our circle and just round out the head. And then we'll work our way up along the right side. We go out, up, and then in towards the center. Now we're going to draw a smaller circle along the bottom half of the head for the nose. So start right in the middle of the head, go all the way around towards the bottom of the nose, round this out, and go back up towards the top. Now let's fill the nose in black. And now we're going to move out to the side and draw two more circles for the eyes. Let's start over on the left side at the very top. It's going to come down towards the bottom of the eye, round this out, and go back up towards the top. Now let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Coming down toward the same height, round out the eye, and then go back up. And now we'll add in the pupils. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to draw a small circle right in the middle. And we'll draw a slightly larger circle on the right side. Going all the way around, and then back up. And then we'll fill the outside of the eyes in black. And now directly underneath each eye, we're going to draw two ovals for the cheeks. Let's start on the left at the very top. Drawing that oval, coming down, and then back up. Let's line this up on the right side. Again, coming down toward the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's go all the way up to the top and add in the ears. We start by lining up with the inside edge of the left eye, go up to the top of the head, and angle up and out. Go to the right side, line this up, go up and out towards the right. And we'll pull the ears back down in behind the head. Let's start on the left, coming down with a slight angle towards the side of the head. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then come down towards the hip. Move over towards the right side. We're going to go in the opposite direction, going out and then down towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom, going back over towards the left, come down the middle, round this out, and then go up. Let's continue drawing in the legs. In the center, we're going to step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down, and then leaving a small gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, and curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toe. And do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to round out the top of the foot. We're going to start from the toe, we're going to draw a curve that goes up. Just going to round out the foot and just come down, aiming towards the heel. We want to leave a little gap along the inside. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the side leg coming down in behind the feet. We're going to start from the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then come straight down on top of the foot. Now with the legs in place, we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the knife. From the top of the body, we're going to step out, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb. Start up here, going up, then the thumb coming down. We'll round out the tip of the thumb and then go back up. And then we'll add in the palm. From here, we're just going to curve down and hook that in. Now we're going to curl 3 fingers around the handle of the knife. Starting from the side of the thumb, we draw a half oval, going out and back in. Let's step down and do that again, going out, in, and then up underneath the thumb. We'll do that one more time, going out, around, and then up. Let's go back up and draw the top of the handle. We're going to start from the top of the finger on the left side and go up and out. Go to the top of the thumb, go up and in. We'll close this off with a straight line. And we'll draw the bottom of the handle in behind the thumb and the fingers. Let's start right up here and go down and in towards the bottom. Flatten off the bottom of the handle. Now I'm just going to pull that back up underneath the finger. Let's line up with the inside of the handle along the top. Go straight up and out towards the tip of the knife. And then from here, just going to round this out. And go out, then down towards the handle. We want to leave a little gap along the bottom. And draw a straight angle line coming down and in. Let's close off the bottom of the arm. We'll start from the bottom of the handle along the inside, curve in and then up, step back down, curve in and up underneath the body. Now we're going to line up the inside of the arm over on the right side. So we're going to curve this out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb. And at the end, we'll add a bracket. Let's curl 3 fingers outside the right hand. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down, then up around that bracket. Step down, go out and up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, up, just tuck that in underneath the head, just beside the top of the body. And that's pretty much it. There's Foxy from Roblox Piggy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials or private game code announcements. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.